Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. So I am trying to solve a little bit of a problem in this song, and that is this. I'm getting to this section. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. In that section, that O God, my Father, O God, my Father, it's real bright, right? And I want to add some more tension there. So what I like to do is whenever I'm having to play a 4 of some kind, this case it's technically a 4 over a 5, we'll take that 4 and I will make it a minor 4. So you have this, O God, my Father. So now I'm using a lot of music language, right? I'm saying 4, minor 4. So what's going on here? We're in the key of F, and F is our 1, G is our 2, A is our 3, B flat is our 4. Now, each one of those notes and numbers have corresponding chords, right? So F is F major, G is G minor, A is A minor, and B flat or 4 is B flat major, okay? So the 4 I'm turning into a minor 4. So I'm playing B flat, in this case B flat in first inversion, and I'm making it a minor 4. How am I making it a minor 4? I'm taking that third and I'm bringing it down a half step. So I'm bringing that D, when I say third, bringing the D down to D flat, all right? Or in this case, it's saying C sharp on the screen. All right, so that's what I like to do. Now let's go ahead and apply it in another song. So let's take It As Well. When peace like a river attendeth my way. Right, I did it there again. Now it's real important in that section I tried to stay to the melody. So even though it was a 4 over 5, you got the melody going on up here where it's changing a little bit. So, but really the concept is I'm still going to that minor 4 chord. All right, I'm just keeping that C on top, which is the melody. So it's a real simple concept. I like to use it all the time, but it helps me to add tension when I get to often the end of a phrase, especially if it's like a 4 over 5 chord. So anyway, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to continue growing in your piano playing journey, I definitely recommend you check out all of my courses at playcreatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player.